what if the products from healthy food aisles are slowly destroying your hormonal balance? Constant fatigue, unexplained weight gain, mood swings, sleep problems. Maybe your clean diet is working against you and you don't even suspect it? Today we are breaking down the 11 most deceptive foods that masquerade as healthy but sabotage your hormones after 40, and what to eat instead to finally feel energetic and strong again. After 40, your body fundamentally changes the rules of the game. Key hormone production declines, metabolic rate slows down, sensitivity to inflammation increases. What passed unnoticed at 25 can now trigger hormonal chaos. This isn't just about eating healthy, it's about strategic eating that works with your new biology, not against it. Stay until the end, because the number one food is so unexpected that 90% of women consider it super healthy, yet it could be the main cause of your constant hunger, mood swings, and belly fat accumulation. But first, let's understand what's happening in your body. After 40, a cascade of hormonal changes begins. Estrogen and progesterone decline. Insulin resistance increases. Thyroid function slows down. And here's what's surprising. A 2023 study showed that the same meal can trigger up to 38% stronger inflammation reactions in women over 40. This means that even if your diet hasn't changed, your body's response has become completely different. Chronic inflammation is no joke. It's linked to depression, anxiety, sleep disorders, excess weight, and premature aging. Why? Because hormones work like orchestra. When one instrument is out of tune, the whole orchestra sounds terrible. Estrogen affects serotonin. Insulin affects cortisol, and thyroid affects everything else. If you feel like you've lost control over your body, you are not alone. 87% of women over 40 complain of chronic fatigue, 76% of unexplained weight gain, and 92% of emotional roller coasters. No, this isn't age. This is hormonal imbalance, and it can be fixed. The good news: food is the most powerful tool for restoring hormonal balance. Every bite is a signal to your cells, and after 40, these signals need to be especially precise. Wrong foods trigger inflammation, right foods trigger healing. The problem is that many healthy foods send completely wrong signals. Some products on this list are marketed as superfoods for women. That's why this ranking is so important. We'll break down 11 of the most deceptive foods and give science-backed replacements for each one. And let's go. 11. Low-fat dairy products. Fat-free cottage cheese, 0% yogurts, reduced fat milk seem like the perfect choice for weight loss. But for your hormones, they are a disaster. They contain more sugar and artificial additives to compensate for taste. They rob you of fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E, K, the foundation of hormonal health. They cause sharper insulin spikes due to the absence of fats that slow absorption. For women over 40, this is especially dangerous because fats are needed for sex hormone production. Deficiency in healthy fats lead to dry skin, brittle hair, depression, and decreased libido. Swap with full-fat organic dairy products in moderation or coconut yogurt. Your hormones will thank you for quality fats that become building blocks for estrogen and progesterone. Number 10. Energy bars for active women. Advertising promises energy and health, but most bars are disguised candy with vitamin supplements. They contain hidden sugars disguised as natural sweeteners. They are full of processed proteins that are poorly absorbed. They create sharp glucose spikes followed by energy crashes. After 40, your pancreas no longer handles such loads as easily as before. And don't get me started on soy processed protein bars. They are not good for you. Very not good for you. Swap with homemade energy balls from nuts, seeds, and a small amount of dates, or simply a handful of raw almonds with an apple. Stable energy without hormonal chaos. And if you want me to create a recipe and to make a video for these energy balls, do put a comment below and I will definitely do that if I get at least one comment. 9. Packaged smoothies and juices. Even 100% natural juices can be hormonal destroyers, especially for women over 40. They are stripped of fiber that slows sugar absorption. They contain concentrated fructose that overloads the liver. They cause insulin roller coasters. Your liver after 40 already works slower with hormone detoxification, and excess fructose creates additional burden. Swap with whole fruits with skin or homemade smoothies with added protein, fats, and greens. Fiber is your best friend for stable blood sugar. 8. Whole grain crackers with additives. The package says whole grain with seeds. Heart healthy, but have you read the ingredients? They often contain refined flour as the main ingredient. They are full of emulsifiers and preservatives that destroy gut microflora. They have a high glycemic index despite their healthy image. After 40, gut health directly affects serotonin production and estrogen balance. So swap with sprouted grain crackers without additives or homemade oat cakes. Your gut and hormones will stay balanced. 7. Plant-based milk with sweeteners. Oat, almond, soy milk has become a symbol of healthy living, but not all plant milk is equally beneficial. Commercial versions contain carrageenan, an inflammatory agent. They are full of stabilizers and emulsifiers. They are often sweetened with syrups that raise insulin. Soy milk may contain phytoestrogen that disrupt delicate hormonal balance after 40. Same idea as soy protein in bars. It is not good for you. Very, very not good for you. Don't consume it. Swap with homemade nut milk without additives or high quality coconut milk. Control what enters your body. 6. Diet sugar-free desserts. Ice cream, cookies, candy labeled diets seem like the perfect compromise, but this is an illusion of health. They contain artificial sweeteners that disrupt gut microflora. They are full of trans fats and chemical additives. They maintain sugar cravings instead of eliminating them. For women over 40, disrupted microflora means bad mood, weak immunity, and weight problems. Swap with dark chocolate, my favorite, 85% or darker, or homemade desserts based on avocado and cocoa. Pleasure without hormone sabotage. 5. Ready-made salad dressings. Even the healthiest salad can hide a hormonal bomb in the dressing. They contain refined vegetable oils that cause inflammation. They are full of preservatives and hidden sugars. They often contain MSG that disrupts satiety signals. Chronic inflammation from poor quality oils is especially dangerous after 40, when the body is already prone to inflammatory process. Swap with homemade dressings based on cold-pressed olive or avocado oil with lemon and herbs. Simplicity is the key to health. It's so easy to make. I don't know why people buy salad dressing. If you buy salad dressing, write me a comment, say why. 4. Protein shakes with sweeteners. Advertising promises slimness and energy, but many protein blends are a cocktail of chemical additives. They contain isolated proteins that are poorly absorbed without accompanying nutrients. They are full of artificial flavors and sweeteners. They may contain heavy metals due to poor purification. After 40, your digestive system becomes more sensitive to synthetic additives. Swap with natural protein sources such as eggs, fish, legumes, or protein from sprouted grains without additives. Real food is always better than powders. 3. Bio and live fruit yogurts. They sit in the healthy food section with smiling women on packages and promises of probiotics. But have you read the ingredients? They contain more sugar than ice cream, up to 6 teaspoons per cup. Probiotics die from excess sugar and preservatives. Artificial fruit additives have no nutritional value. For hormone balance restoration after 40, you need live bacteria, not a sugar bomb with their dead remains. Swap with natural Greek yogurt with fresh berries and nuts, real probiotics for real health. 2. Natural sugars such as agave, coconut sugar, Jerusalem artichoke syrup. Marketing has convinced us that these sweeteners are healthier than regular sugar, but for your hormones they are no less destructive. Agave contains up to 90% of fructose, more than corn syrup. Coconut sugar has the same glycemic index as regular sugar. They all cause insulin spikes and inflammation. After 40, your insulin sensitivity decreases, and any sugar, even natural, hits harder. I personally don't like artificial sugar, but if you have to have it, stevia in small amounts will do the trick. Number 1. Processed foods labeled gluten-free. Here it is, the most deceptive deceiver. Bread, cookies, pasta, gluten-free seem like a healthy alternative, but for your hormones, they might be worse than regular ones. They contain refined starch and corn flour with high glycemic index. They are full of gums, stabilizers, and emulsifiers that irritate the gut. They are often more caloric and less nutritious than gluten counterparts. They have a higher glycemic index than white bread. The paradox is that people buy these products for health but get hormonal chaos, blood sugar spikes, gut inflammation, microflora disruption, everything that worsens hormonal problems after 40. Swap with, if gluten isn't contraindicated, quality whole grain sourdough bread. If you need to avoid gluten, vegetables, grains, legumes instead of processed substitutes. Here is the truth: you don't need to starve or dramatically change your life. You just need to make conscious swaps. Every time you choose whole foods over processed, natural fats over fat-free, fresh fruits over juices, you are restoring hormonal balance. Life after 40 isn't a sentence to fatigue and excess weight. It can be a time of maximum energy, mental clarity, and self-confidence, especially when you know how to properly nourish your body. If this video was helpful, give it a like. This will help YouTube show it to other women who need this information. Subscribe to the channel for weekly videos about hormonal health, anti-aging, nutrition, and strategies that actually work after 40. Write in the comments which of these 11 foods surprised you the most. And if you need more support with what to eat, check out the guides I list in the description to this video. You can download them there, most of them are free. Till next time, bye bye!